The Devon Mocha is a very good 360-degree surround omnidirectional Bluetooth speaker with a retro metal design that gives it a premium look and feel. Likewise, I love the attention given to the packaging box, which gives a form of perception that the speaker has a premium quality and good audio sound performance. Inside this executive suitcase are some cool numeral stickers that you could use to decorate the speaker or your room. Next is the user manual guide with a 12-month warranty card inside, and also contains more languages for international users. Devon was kind enough to include an aux cable for direct connection, especially for non-Bluetooth devices, and it surprisingly has a reasonably long, durable and thick USB Type-C cable, which is awesome. Next is the detachable elegant leather strap, which is also a thoughtful idea for easy transportation. Finally, the elegant Mocha Bluetooth speaker, which I will get back to soon. The unique and elegant looking art case retail packaging can be reused, which is very thoughtful, and it helps for easy long distance and safe transportation, probably for picnics or vacations. The design of the speaker is a sandwich between metal and plastic. The stronger metal speaker grills and metal frames helps to protect the speaker drivers from damages as a result of accidents or crashes. There are tiny metal texture contours around the sleek metal chassis and corners for aesthetics and to help improve firm grip when holding. At the right of the speaker is the strap holder, the battery level indicator LED, and an aesthetic rubber covering the aux port with the durable USB Type-C port. There's only the strap holder at the left side. At the bottom side are the big anti-vibration or isolation pads that are well designed and strong enough to help the speaker sit firmly on any surface without fear of sliding, even when listening at higher volumes. At the top are the CNC crafted golden metal alloy buttons that are elegant, tactile and responsive to use, but they require a little bit of pressure, which I believe is good for durability. Being a Bluetooth speaker with mostly durable metal alloy design parts and a large battery size, it is quite heavy to carry, and so it's nice that the quality leather strap was provided for easy, comfortable handling and for an effortless traveling companion, which is also thanks to its portability and compact size. Pairing with a smartphone is quite easy, and the pairing mode is indicated with a blinking blue LED. Pairing for the first time as usual took up to 15 seconds, after which subsequent pairing will take less than 3 seconds, which is quite standard. It also has a true wireless pairing mode, which allows you to connect two Mocha Bluetooth speakers for a louder, richer and surround stereo sound experience. The Bluetooth range is about 10 meters, and even though it comes with the older Bluetooth 4.2, the indoor connection is stronger than expected. The volume buttons also controls the volume slider of the smartphone. That is, the maximum volume of the smartphone is also the maximum volume of the speaker. The play pause button also works accurately as expected. Surprisingly, the volume buttons are also used for skipping to the next or previous tracks by pressing and holding down for 2 seconds. You can tap the play pause button to receive calls, while holding the play pause button is for ejecting calls. With a very loud audio sound, it can comfortably be used for conference calls, and it has good and clear call quality. Also, double tapping the play pause button surprisingly makes a call to the last phone caller ID, which is cool. The Bluetooth button activates the true wireless pairing mode with another Mocha speaker, and it also disconnects the Bluetooth. Sound quality is surprisingly good thanks to the 6 unique drivers. It has a total of 40 watts dual 360 surround audio speakers with professional DSP tuning. There's a 15-watt woofer and a 5-watt tweeter at both sides for extremely loud and omnidirectional surround audio performance. The audio sound performance exceeded my expectations. The sound is very clear and loud at higher volumes without distortions. Here's how the speaker sounds like.
Something, tell you something real quick. If that will give you charger, you ready to lose your phone and the charger. I got you all day, from nobody to somebody.
Like some Bluetooth speakers, there's little or no audio latency. Here's a sample.
And assume the Infinix Note 8 is way better than the Infinix Note 8i. Note that the Infinix Note 8i is cheaper, compact, and is just as fast as the more expensive Infinix Note 8.
One of the things I don't like about this speaker is that it does not support TF card playback, which I believe should be a necessary option, but I can't complain because the aux input port and the aux cable allows you to connect any device with a 3.5mm headphone jack. A white LED turns on to indicate the aux mode is activated, but you need to make sure that the volume of the phone and the speaker are both at 100% to enjoy maximum audio sound experience in aux mode. In the aux mode, you can't use the speaker buttons to play pause or skip tracks, but the audio quality is still amazing. Unfortunately, it comes with Bluetooth 4.2, which uses more battery power compared to the Bluetooth 5.0, but fortunately, the speaker has a long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery, which is amazing and can last between 8 to 20 hours depending on the usable speaker volume, which is surprisingly good. But in order to achieve this, it forces the volume to reduce significantly at low battery status, which is quite disappointing, but yet still a good battery saving technique and prevents hearing loss. It's nice that it supports up to 18W fast USB Type-C charging, and the charging time is just under 3 hours, which confirms beyond reasonable doubt that it truly has a large 10,000 mAh battery capacity. Having a USB Type-C port and fast charging guarantees not only a good battery life experience, but also that the speaker is future-proof. Anyways, it can comfortably become your perfect companion when traveling long distance without need to charge. Unfortunately, there is no reverse charging despite having a big 10,000 mAh battery capacity, but you can't have it all at this price. Speaking about price, Devoom is currently doing a promo where you can get this powerful speaker for just $100 by clicking on my affiliate link below to buy. Let me know what you guys think about this price. In conclusion, I just love the attention to details given to the manufacturing of this portable retro Bluetooth speaker. You will really enjoy the amazing loud, clear and deep bass audio sound with a long-lasting battery life and fast charging. Nice job, Devoom. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see the next video. Talk to you in my next video and remain humble, stay safe, bye.